You don't talk about it, but it's heavy. You keep showing up for everyone else, even when you feel empty. Your smile masks the weight you carry inside, protecting others from your pain. In silence, you fight battles that no one sees, afraid to burden those around you with your struggles. But your quiet resilience isn't weakness, it's raw strength in its purest form. Every time you push through, every time you choose to keep going, you prove just how powerful you truly are. Those silent victories matter. Your strength isn't measured by how loudly you face your battles, but by the fact that you face them at all. Share your story below.